Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We had such a good time with that axial rock crawler that we decided to go a little bigger. So we got these Redcat Everest-10 10 scale 4-wheel drive rock crawlers. Now these we're going to take outside, have a little fun, but welcome to the channel, to the unboxing. Let's get right into the video. Let's go ahead and get them open. Let's open the red one and then we'll open the blue one. Let's get at it. Woo! I got an instruction booklet with a bind plug and a receiver
antenna tube. You probably need your snipper.
Yeah.
AD.
It's got zip ties. Let's get the snippers.
Man, they package it pretty well though.
Oh yeah, for sure. It not going anywhere. Let's get my snippers.
Industrials, right?
Need new snippers.
What happens when your stripper gets old? You throw it away and get another, right?
They don't want you to get this thing out.
All right.
Whoa, here we go, boys. Ooh, look at that.
Ah. First time I've ever seen it.
Oh man. That thing has, feel that thing.
Oh wow.
Feel it.
Look at the flex.
Yeah, and it's not really easy to do either. You really have to kind of push. It's got some good shocks on it. I like that. Man, I really like that red one.
Look at the twist.
Oh man,
That'll twist even more. Check that out.
It's got those torsion bars. It's got the one back here, and so they can
give
flex.
it a twist there, man. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that.
Wow, that's pretty good.
That's gonna do some good crawling.
Oh yeah. Let's see what else we got in the box. Like I said, it's ready to run. So you got your charger, which we probably won't use since we got our own chargers. And you got your Redcat remote control, bind, throttle reverse, steering reverse, power status, trims, dual rate. It's about everything you need. I mean, it feels pretty good. Anything else in here?
Where's the back trick?
I think it's already in there.
Pop it off.
Yeah, let's pop this off and see what it looks like. I like how they're on the side.
Oh, that makes it really.
And look, it's even got, you can change how far in or out you want the body. It's got stops right here. And there's the battery.
Oh, so you put a different body on it if you want.
Yeah, you can put a wider or narrower body. Here's your speed controller.
Is the speed controller loose? It looks kind of weird.
It's stuck to the side.
Okay.
I think it's supposed to go back here. We'll have to play around with that and move it to where we want.
Man, I can't believe it came like that though.
Yeah, that's a little odd.
Yeah, that is. It's like it wouldn't even reach from the
Well,
there's no way.
Yeah, there is. This was just kind of tucked in here, so you move that, and you can put this right here. All right, then you hook up your battery, and you're good to go. So
is that solid now? Or?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
I can pick it up.
Sweet.
Yeah.
All right.
Looks good.
What type of battery? What kind of battery? What size?
That is a 2000 milliamp Hexfly nickel metal hydride battery. I mean, for what a rock crawler, it's probably not too bad. We may upgrade the battery. Who knows? We'll see. Stay tuned for that. But for now, we're just going to run it with the stock battery. But that's all for this one. Let's get a look at the blue one. I want to see what the blue one looks like.
All right.
The red one looks killer, but I want to see the blue too. I really like this body. So let's open up this one and kind of compare what they look like. Got them up here. Look at these suckers. They are beautiful. They're amazing. I really love the colors and the scheme. It looks awesome. It has like a topography map on them. It's kind of cool looking. Now,
wait a minute, a topography map.
Yeah, you look, it looks like a topography map.
Does it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
With the elevations.
I just never.
See?
Oh, I never noticed that.
Yeah, it looks like you got like
A topo
elevations.
map.
Yeah, a topo map. I
Oh,
think
and
it looks really cool on it.
It goes across the top too. Does the blue one have it?
Yep, has it too.
Oh, I never noticed that. That is awesome. And I love the graphics on the side.
Oh yeah, it has mountains and more topography. Now, these are the stock bodies that come on it, but we want to upgrade those, change them out, just make them look different so that way they're more distinct. So tell us what type of body that you'd like to see on it. We're going to put a few in the description, but if you have any other ones, throw them down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Throw us your thoughts. So with that said, let's take these outside and do a little running with them. Let's climb some rocks and hills and stuff. Let's go. Hey, if you're enjoying the content, you can always subscribe. Consider subscribing because we really want you as part of the Be Empowered family. Hit that like button if you're enjoying it as well, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss any future content. Back to the video. All right, we've already unboxed the rock crawlers, so now we're gonna actually do some rock crawling right there. We got some big, huge rocks. We'll see how it does, but we're gonna give you an epic rock crawler montage. Hit it. Crawlers are awesome. They're so much fun. You know, I didn't think, I like speed, so I didn't think I would have a lot of fun with something that's so slow. But it's a lot of fun trying to crawl the rocks. You know, you go one way, you can't go, you have to go a different way and try it, and you can make it up it. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoyed the video and our montage, and we had a blast. We love these things. You need to get your rock crawler. They're a lot of fun. So with that said, that's going to do it for the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Otherwise, God bless you, God bless America. Be empowered. Out.